So you upgraded your WordPress, and then you noticed that there was a new editor in town. It's called the block editor, and you said, what is going on? But all you really wanted to do was to go in and write a blog post real quick. You hadn't done it in a while. Well, that's what happened to me not too long ago. And I found out that it's a whole new editing thing called the blog. It's the block. And if you notice on your dashboard, it says that you're using WordPress 5 and there's a new block-based editor. Take a look at it. It's exciting. Features are right here. But I really didn't want to take time to do that. I just wanted to go with what I knew. So if you keep reading, it says that this is a plugin that has been added to our interface, but it will allow you to use it again if you need. It can take the classic editor plugin has been added. Now this is important. What you used to have is called the classic editor, and WordPress is going to support this until 2021. So you can go back to what you used to do, and it will allow you to use it again if you need it. It will make the transition to the new block experience smoother. So you can explore your old classic editor settings by going here. Know that if for any reason you don't have that classic editor already embedded in your update, all you have to do is go to plugins and then look for a classic editor, and you can put it in. But meanwhile, let's look at something very quickly here. If I go to, here's appearance, but if I go to settings and I go from settings to writing, this is where I can find under the writing settings the settings for the classic editor. So now look here, and you notice that the default editor for all users is block now. If I want to change it, I have to click on classic. Once I do that, I'll be back to what I was used to doing. And you save the changes. And the reason why I want to do that now is because I really don't want to learn the new block interface. Not that I shouldn't. It looks really cool. But in case you're not quite ready to learn it, go back to what you had before. You can do the classic. I encourage you to learn it. But for now, if you just want to just go back to classic. And that happens. I don't know if it's a baby boomer thing or what, but when you have your mind focused on just doing what you're used to doing, it's not that you don't want to ever learn anything new, but for now, you just know that you have that option of going back to where it used to be. Okay? Just wanted to share that with you. Take care.